We're standing inside 122 Deepwood Drive, Manchester, Connecticut.
And we're going to be holding an open house this Saturday, April 25th, from 1 to 2:30. So you want to stop by so you don't miss this cute, adorable home. It has so much to offer. Remember, this has a brand new roof, 30-year architectural shingles. It has a carport that'll fit 2 cars. It has vinyl siding, thermal pane windows, gas, heat. The kitchen is all nice and bright. You have new flooring in here, stainless steel appliances, washer and dryer are gonna remain. You have a big lower level where you have like a family room area where you can play ping pong or pool. This has a lot to offer, including a fenced-in yard, a new deck outside. Some of the furniture might even remain. You have a shed outside that also has a new roof on it. This is a nice level lot in a wonderful, wonderful location. It's a neighborhood that you can walk with your pets or your family. Plus, you're so close to highways and shopping and restaurants and malls and everything that you would need.
So please stop by our open house this Saturday, April 25th from 1 to 2:30.
We look forward to seeing you.